I'm very proud that SAP is using our big data solutions to fight cancer, working with experts around the world. This is NCT, the National Center for Tumor Disease in Heidelberg, Germany. They were created to use the best data and the best technology available to treat cancer in a new way. Now, cancer, it really is an information problem. There are hundreds of different types of cancer. Every incidence is different, and every patient reacts differently to those different treatments. So it's hard to know which treatment will work in advance. The problem isn't a lack of information. There's tons of information available, but it's stored in lots of different systems. Some of it is structured in databases, some of it is unstructured, like text of medical research, and some of it, sadly, is still on paper. Today, doctors take maybe up to several weeks to gather all of that information together to figure out what the right treatment for any individual should be. And all of that wasted time is critical for the cancer patients. So we worked with NCT to create a new medical insights solution. And what it does is we put together design thinking workshops where we brought the doctors and the researchers in and had them create the perfect interface for bringing all of that information together for effective patient care. So the structured information from the electronic medical records, and then we use text analytics to mine the unstructured data from all of the research and put it all together in a solution. And the number one thing they can do with this is get a faster idea of what is likely to be the most effective treatment for any individual based on all the research, but above all, based on other patients that show similar symptoms. And sensors are becoming a really big thing in medicine. This is Early Sense. They're part of the SAP HANA startup program. And they have this sensor that you can put underneath the hospital mattress. You don't have to wire the patient up, and it measures all of the vital signs, the heart rate, respiration, sleep patterns, and so on. And then all of that information is sent back to a central console where the nurses can be alerted for something that's going wrong. It's already saved many patient lives. In general, we like helping great companies become even greater. Adizia is another wonderful example. They're working to prevent malnutrition and in some of the most vulnerable children in the world. They sell therapeutic foods like Plumpy Nut. It's a peanut-based high-energy food that you can mix with it has skim milk and vegetable oil and vitamins and minerals. It's been compared to penicillin in its simplicity and effectiveness at saving lives. You don't need to have a refrigerator. It doesn't need cooking. It stays fresh once it's opened. You don't need fresh water. So it can be given to any malnourished child, anytime, anywhere. It has literally saved millions of lives. And Adizia have seen massive growth over the last few years. The problem was they were struggling with 3 different computer systems. It made it hard to make decisions. It made it hard to expand. They're now using SAP Business One to get a single view of their organization, the finance, shipping, quality control, and so on. Again, these companies are making a real impact on the world, and we're delighted that we can help.